Time to get supplies. After the house, we can do like that. See you at home. I'm gonna make slime and ghost stuff. First we add the glue now, then we have to activate it. Let me mix it. We can place it and stuff. Mix it around.
Can we make a ball with it?
Maybe.
Let's see.
Well, after it's sticky, because when it's sticky, it sticks everywhere.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and make a ball now. See if you can get it out of the bowl.
We need to get all this slime out, kind of. It's still kind of sticky.
Yeah. That's cool. And doesn't that kind glow in the dark?
Yeah, it does.
Let's go see. Wow, that's some cool stuff.
Yeah. Wait, now it's not, when the next day it's not going to get sticky that much.
Are we ready for another craft?
Yeah. Now, for the next craft, we start with the balloon and we blow it up. Then we tie it up. Now we take yarn and pull it apart and cut it. Now I pull out yarn and cut it into pieces. Now we take a bottle of glue and put it in a bowl and we add butter and mix it. slowly. I take this and push all the stuff down.
Till all of the yarn is covered in glue. Don't mix it. There we go. Now we hang the balloon.
And we wrap the string around it.
One piece at a time. This part you will get messy, but that's okay. And we keep wrapping all the string around the balloon. We kind of ran into a snag. We're going to have to cut our string down size, one piece at a time. And we want to make sure that we put the string in all the open areas. And cover all the open areas.
Yeah, there's lots of open areas in the back. That's why I'm moving it back here. And make sure to wear something over your shirt because it glue might get on your shirt. Now you take the eyes and stick them on the balloon.
Make sure they're on the
String.
Yep.
Eyes. Not on the balloon because the balloon doesn't have string on. There's lots of string over here. Yeah. Part. There. You see what I did? Now we wait for it to dry. And it might take overnight, just so you guys know.